write this. The song entitled We Belong by Tony Gonzaga.
Yes.
Okay, let's try to sing the song. I tried to tell you so many times this feeling of mine, but it's not that easy. I know how I'll be so completely incomplete. I never felt this way. Like swords and melody. Don't you know the rainbow beats, baby? Don't you know that we will last forever? Don't you know the rainbow beats? I knew it from the start. We belong. Don't you know that we will be loved, baby? Don't you know that we will last forever? Don't you know that we will be loved? I knew it from the start. We belong.
Thank you very much mga guys. Maraming salamat at supportan nyo sana ako sa aking YouTube channel, Video Okay King Taxi. Please subscribe and likes and follow. Maraming salamat.